In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pitch fan on TradingView, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add it to your chart, adjust it, customize it, and remove it when you're done. First, make sure you're logged into TradingView and you have a chart open. You can use any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, look to the upper left side of the chart window. This is where most of your drawing tools live. Hover your mouse over the toolbar there and find the icon for Gann and Fibonacci tools. Depending on your layout, it may look like a small diagonal grid or fan symbol. Click it to open the full list of related tools. In that drop-down, look for the tool labeled Pitchfan and click on it. Your cursor will now change, indicating that you're ready to start drawing on the chart. Now it's time to create your pitch fan. The pitch fan is built using 3 anchor points on price. Move your cursor to the point on the chart where you want the fan to begin and click once to create your first point. This is usually a significant low or high in the market. Next, move to the second point, typically the opposite swing, high or low, and click again. Finally, move to your third point, which helps define the overall angle and spread of the fan, and click one more time. Once you've placed those 3 points, the pitch fan will appear, projecting several angled lines across your chart. These lines can help you visualize potential support and resistance zones, trend strength, and possible reaction areas as price moves. You should now see all of that information clearly overlaid on your chart. If you want to adjust it, simply click on any of the anchor points and drag them to a new location. The fan will automatically update as you move those points. This is useful if you want to refine your analysis as new price data comes in. You can also customize the look of your pitch fan. With the fan selected, open the templates option to save specific styles you like. You can change the color to match your chart theme, adjust the line tool width to make lines thinner or thicker, and open the settings panel for more detailed options. If you don't want to accidentally move it, click on lock. When you're finished with it, click on remove to delete it from the chart. To wrap up, take a final look at your chart with the pitch fan applied and notice how the lines interact with recent price action. That's all it takes to create and manage a pitch fan on TradingView.